What is up, Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Scrambly. And maybe you're wondering, can you make money with this particular platform? Or are there better ways to make money online out there? Let's check it all out, all right? Now, Scrambly is called a GPT website, get paid to do something. So there's a lot of different things you can do. You can play games, you can download offers, and you can also make money with different tasks. And we'll talk about that in a second, right? Now, the first thing that I want to mention with Scrambly, and I've reviewed many different websites like this, is that luckily, this is available on iOS and Android. A lot of these types of GPT websites are only available on Android, but they are also available on Apple devices, which is really cool, okay? And if you want to sign up, you can just, click right at the top right here to get signed up. But very important for you to understand that they're only available in the US, Germany, Japan, Korea, and France right now. They only used to be available in the US, but now they're available in these different countries, parts of Asia and Europe, which is cool. So hopefully over time they're going to expand and you're going to see them in more countries around the world. Okay. Now you can see right here that you can get instant payouts after $1, which is cool. We'll talk about some of the methods that you can withdraw in a second. But $1 as a payout is very easy to hit, so that's a cool thing. You get rewarded bonus points, which you can then switch into money, and that's how you basically withdraw, all right? Very cool. Now, let me show you exactly how this works. So if we go to the Google Play Store, you'll see right here that there are different things that you can do as you play the game, okay? So once you go into the game, one of the main ways that you can make money through Scrambly is to play games, right? It's called offers. So you download a game, for example, like Tetris, or maybe it's a puzzle game, and as you reach different milestones in that game, you will get a different amount of points. So if you hit level 5, for example, you're going to get some very low points. But if you reach, for example, level 100 or 200, they will reward you with much more points. And then you take those points and you convert them into money, right? That's one of the main ways that Scrambly was known for in the marketplace. Downloading games, playing games. So if you enjoy playing games for fun, this is one of those ways where you can make a little bit of money, all right? Now, sometimes it does take quite a long time to make money with the games because you have to reach level 200 or 300 to make the big bucks, right? So for example, if you just create a profile, they might reward you with a couple of cents. But if you're here to make money, then a couple of cents isn't going to go very far. So with some of these games, you do have to play it quite a lot, and it could take a week, maybe 2 weeks to hit some of those bigger income levels. But it is free, and it is fun to play some of these games, okay? Now, the cool thing about Scrambly is that over time, they have improved and they've gotten better, right? So what they've done now is they have a lot of other offers that you can check out. So it's not just the games. Now you can, download some cashback offers. They've got a lot of banking and finance apps as well. So you can, download some of their financing apps, their investing apps. You can create a free account. You can deposit some money into that particular app, and then they will reward you with some points based on the actions that you take, okay? So if you want to, check out some different offers like cashback offers, gaming offers, finance offers, they even have food delivery offers. So the thing that I like about Scrambly is that with some of the other GPT websites that I've reviewed, some of them just do games. Well, these guys do a bunch of different categories as they've improved over time. So I think that's pretty fun as well, all right? And then once you've downloaded, or you've done your offers for a certain amount of time, you're going to have a certain amount of points. So now the big question is how do you withdraw the money, right? Now, just like a lot of other GPT websites out there, Scrambly allows you to withdraw through PayPal. You can withdraw through the Visa debit card as well, which is cool because you can access your money right there. And they've got a lot of gift cards as well, a ton of different gift cards, again, depending on where you're located in the world, all right? And that is pretty much it. It's as straightforward as that. And let's see what some people have said about Scrambly, just so that you have an idea, right? So this is the website I like to use, Trustpilot. It's a cool third-party website, and overall, Scrambly has, and you can see right here, this is Scrambly, right? 9,000 reviews. That's a decent amount of reviews. 78% 5-star. So most people have said, and this is pretty recent, right? An hour ago, right? So it says, it's pretty good. All right, no complaints, awesome, quick cash out. People generally say some nice things, right? But what I also like to do is I like to see whether there are negative reviews and if there's a pattern of negative reviews, right? So, for the most part, I've seen a lot of good stuff about Scrambly, but some people have complained about some bad stuff as well. So let's just check it out to see what the general complaints are, right? So the general complaints I have seen is that some people, again, not all, again, this is only 9% out of all of the people that have left a review on Trustpilot specifically, is that some people say that they don't get credited for the things that they do, right? So this one specific, it was a cashback promotion. They didn't get credited for that particular cashback, right? Which is not great. Some of them saying that, they don't, they have a lot of pending tickets. And this is a pattern with Scrambly, right? And this might just be this minute alone because they're expanding, they're growing very, very fast. And I know that Scrambly doesn't really have that many people on staff, right? So this is a growth issue. All right, so a lot of people have been saying that they've been, they tried to contact them, but nobody replies, that kind of thing. Some of them say they have not received, not gotten the money that the company owes them, right? But remember that this is not everyone. So here's what I would say about some of these reviews is that because it's, 9%, they're growing so quickly, there is a certain amount of people that might run into a few things. Number one, tech issues. Okay, so you're not getting fully credited. So that is a glitch in the app. I know a lot of people have been paid out as well. So this is not, everyone who's not being paid out. It's just some, unfortunately, if you're a little bit unlucky, there's a bit of a glitch. You're not going to get all of your stuff credited to you, unfortunately, right? Some people have had issues with customer support. So if you're unlucky as well, you're going through this growth phase, because it depends on when you're watching this video. Maybe if you send them a support ticket, you're not going to hear back from them straight away, or you might not hear back from them at all, okay? So you have to understand that they are going through a growth phase. It's not that they want to do bad, but some people unfortunately slip through the cracks. But there are a lot of people that have had some pretty good experiences with Scrambly. Now, the big question is can you make money with this? Is this worth your time, right? Here's what I would say. I would say that if you're based in these countries, US, Germany, Japan, Korea, and France, and hopefully they're going to expand in the future, Scrambly is a pretty cool GPT website because they've had, quite a lot of success. They're growing, aggressively. They've improved the platform a lot. And a lot of people have been able to withdraw, even though you might be unlucky and you may miss out on certain things. It just depends on your luck, okay? It may not happen to you. It may happen to you, so you can test it out if you want. Another thing I would say is that how much can you earn with the GPT app, right? It depends on your country. It depends on the offers that you have and how much time you put into it. But on average, if you spend a couple of hours a day on a website like Scrambly, expect to make anywhere from $2 to $5, okay? Sometimes you might earn a little bit more if you're really good at the games, if you take action on some of the stuff and you get the bonus points. You might be able to earn a bit more, maybe $10 a day, right? But it really depends on how much effort you put in and where you're based in the world. Look, this is not a get-rich-quick thing, but if you enjoy playing games, if you don't mind downloading some offers, some tech offers, some finance offers, some cashback offers, some food delivery offers, this might be a cool little way to earn a little bit of extra money on the side, okay? Now, for those of you who aren't based in these countries, if you want to, check out another app right here. So if you're not based in the US, Germany, Japan, Korea, or France, this one's global right here, freecash.com, all right? And this is a really high-paying GPT website, one of the highest paying, actually, that I've reviewed. So I just wanted to give you a couple of options just in case you weren't in any of those countries. But again, just remember that GPT apps aren't designed to make you rich. They're designed to get you between $2 and maybe roughly $10 a day if you put in, some significant time into the actual app. So if you want to check out Scrambly, you can head over to scrambly.io, or you can go to the Google Play Store and you can download it here. Over 1 million downloads, which is pretty cool. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're wondering how to earn some big money on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to earn money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. For me, I like to put in, a certain amount of time and get back a certain amount of return. And if you're going to be doing that anyway, you should be doing the same thing, getting the maximum amount of earnings from your time that you spend online, right? And for me, I've made, multiple six figures a year doing this one specific strategy online. And if you would like to see exactly how I do that, just click the link right below this video and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing and model me if you would like. And I'll send you that training for free. Take care.